Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the week. Today I want to talk to you about the 4 factors that most customers go through in deciding what car to buy, from whom to buy it from, and the price they're willing to pay. Most people think the number one reason a customer buys a car they buy is either the price or the salesperson, and both of those are absolutely incorrect. You see, the number one reason a customer buys the car they buy is they like the car. No one buys a car they don't like just because it's cheap and they like the salesperson. Sure, every once in a while some people buy a cheap car and don't care what it is, but that is the exception and not the norm. The second reason now becomes the salesperson. The customer has to like you in order to move forward. If the customer likes the car but does not like you, they will just go somewhere else to buy the car. Next is the dealership, your location, Google reviews, and how you all get along in the store. And then finally, it's the price. It is a proven fact that most people will pay more for a car they love, a salesperson they want to do business with, and a dealership they have faith in. So knowing all this, your sales presentation must focus on first finding the car the customer loves. Forget about the price. Price is immaterial if they don't like the car, and most will pay more to get what they love. So first find the car, then get the customer to like you. How do you do that? By not being pushy or over-aggressive during the sales process. Then we need to make sure that your Google reviews are good and the dealership environment is inviting and healthy. Then and only then does price come into play. But I will tell you this, and this comes from every ounce of conviction that I have for this industry. If they find a car they love, like you, and feel comfortable at the dealership, negotiating the price will become so easy and simple. So think about these 4 factors in this order every time you take it up. Good luck, everyone.